Well, I'm going on to the second round. Masters of Pain. I just advanced over the likes of none other than Toby Klein. Wasn't even originally scheduled to be in the tournament, let alone my opponent, but he showed up and it was both a thrill and a little intimidating. But nevertheless, I came out the victor somehow, miraculously. And so now I'm going on to round two. We've got a German already advanced in the tournament. We've got a Japanese man who is poised to possibly advance. Whether or not he can get by my friend Drake Younger will be a matter that you will see if you just push skip right now on your DVD. You will find out what's going on. So assuming that Drake is a fairy and he loses the match, then that's two foreigners to two homegrown people here. And I'm not a xenophobe by any means, but I feel that I need to step up to the plate, hit a home run for America, hop in there for Team America and show them what's up. I'm gonna call my shots and everything. I'm gonna be like I am the Babe Ruth, the Masters of Pain. So just you wait. The next round, whether it be a German, a Japanese person, Oriental is apparently no longer PC, so I didn't say that. They're from the Orient. Come on. Or any of the two Americans who are still potentially in the second round. I'm going to go out there, I'm going to do my best, and I'm going to prove that even though I won the Tournament of Death, I was in the finals of King of the Death, I won Carnage Cup, it's been a banner year for me. A lot of people might think, well, 15 minutes are up, Danny Havoc's over. I'm here to prove that that is not the case. I'm going to be a lasting force in the American indie deathmatch scene, such as it is. Something to be very proud of.